Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a seafood medley in white sauce. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to heat up our fry pan, turn on the flame, then we're going to be adding our sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. As soon as that gets warmed up, we're going to start adding our meats one by one, and then we're going to add the green beans last. Alright, now that that's heated up, we're going to start adding our meats, starting off with the shrimp. Get that a little bit stirring in there. Up next, we're going to add our clams. Followed by our crab. And then our minced salmon. Get that warmed up and mixed evenly. Now we're going to season that with some salt and lemon pepper. Then we're going to add our green beans in there. Up next, we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of flour. Get that well combined in there. Nice even coating on everything. Then we're going to add our 2 cups of milk. Stirring slowly so it don't separate. Then we're going to slowly let that heat up and it'll start to thicken, and then we're going to add our cheese in there. We're going to make sure we keep stirring so that the milk doesn't burn on the bottom. You'll start to see it slowly start to boil. Now that it's starting to thicken, we're going to add our cheese. We have a cup of white cheddar mixed with mozzarella. We're going to pour that in there and slowly incorporate it so it blends in nice and even. Then we're going to reduce our heat down, and we're going to give it a simmer for about a minute, and then it's all good and to go. And there we go, ready to serve. Seafood in white sauce. This goes good on top of pasta or on top of rice. And there we go, I have a nice vegetable medley in white sauce. We're just going to add that onto the noodles. Nice and thick there. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and look out for our next video.